Now, still on the corridors of justice, two suspects have been charged with the murder of Meru blogger Daniel Muthiani alias Sniper at the Environment and Land Court will on the 18th of April 2024 decide the ownership of the vast land and its lands claimed by both families of late politician Gershon Kirima and the late Italian businessman Domenico De Masi. Details of these in the Scales of Justice segment.
A mental assessment test found Vincent Murithi Kirimi alias Supu and Kenneth Murangiri Gwantai alias Talifit to stand trial in the murder of Meru blogger Daniel Muthiani alias Sniper.
The county jointly with others not before court mandated Daniel Muthiani Bernard alias Sniper.
And when they appeared before Lady Justice Dora Chepkoni at Kiambu High Court, they pleaded not guilty. She, however, allowed Vincent to undergo a liver operation at Mama Lucy Hospital on Tuesday before being remanded in industrial area.
The matter mentioned on 29th of February for brief highlights and fixing of the readings.
4 other suspects were last week released for lack of evidence. Meanwhile, the family of the late Italian businessman Domenico De Masi has filed a new suit, disputing claims that he sold the land to the late politician Gershon Kirima.
Even as we are doing the applications, even the suit, we have to keep track. So the pleadings must freeze. So that in the event, whatever happens to the applications, we shall be able to move with speed in relation to the main suit.
The court is set to rule on the new application in the property on the 14th of April 2024, even as several individuals claim to have legally bought plots on the disputed land and built houses.
And we are very optimistic. We have faith in the courts that orders will be given to stop any transaction, any activity that is taking place on the said parcel of land. I want to urge the residents of both Embakasi East and Kasarani constituencies not to transact anything. Do not send money to the Kirimas. Do not respond to these letters before the conclusion of this matter.
The High Court last year had ordered the residents to move out. Elsewhere, the Director of Public Prosecution has sought for time to establish the relationship between a city businessman Brian Birongo and a senior Brazilian embassy official Lydia Kimunto Magonga, who claims to have been defrauded 1.5 million shillings in a liquor business supply deal to the Department of Defense.
From this punch, I really cannot tell where exactly they are because I was not expecting the stuff this long.
Brian denied receiving the amount on diverse days on November 2022 in Westlands, Nairobi, under the guise of being in a position to start a business partnership with Lydia for distributing liquor at DOD. In Narok, 5 suspects were on Monday arraigned in connection to the murder of Lawrence Kamasiai. Appearing before Narok resident magistrate Phyllis Chinyanda, the 5, however, did not take plea pending results of a mental checkup.
A legal counsel will be appointed for each one of them, free of charge. Plea will be taken on the 14th of February 2024 before the Honorable Judge. In the meantime, they'll be in custody.
Meanwhile, 2 Asian businessmen have been charged for publishing false information touching on the head of Bohara community leader.
First accused person, or if he gets better in the interim, can be availed at any day before then. But the pre-trial shall be on the 12th of February. Bond of 200,000 shillings, surety similar amount, or a cash bill of 100,000 shillings each, with 2 contact persons.
The 2 suspects are Junchawan Surya and Aftab Afzal Abbas are said to have claimed on 24 January 2024 that the leader had stolen funds from the community.